How to use private stories on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Snapchat stories can be shared with either your friends or made public, depending on the privacy settings you choose. If your goal is to limit the audience of your story to just a selected few individuals rather than broadcasting it to everyone, you have the option to create a private story. So to initiate this process, start by opening your Snapchat application first and then tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, once you've done that, look for the new story icon. After you have made this selection, you will be prompted to choose which of your friends you'd like to grant access to view your private story. This is done by tapping on the names of those friends you wish to include in the viewing list. The next step is to assign a name to your private story so that it can be easily identifiable to you. So click on Clear Story first and then give it a name, and then click on Save or Create Story. After naming your private story, you will have the ability to send snaps specifically to this private story, allowing only the friends you selected to see the content you share. This way, you can enjoy the Snapchatting experience while maintaining a higher level of privacy with your personal sharing. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.